Hi, I'm Brittany Newkirk, and today I'm going to be explaining how to compare the following numbers by converting each number to a base 10 number. So we're going to start with 362 base 8 and convert that to base 10. So base 8 numbers consist of digits from 0 to 7. So first, I made a table with 3 rows and the number of columns equal to the number I'm converting. So a 3 by 3 table. In the bottom row, I'm going to write the digits of the number I'm converting. 3, 6, 2. In the row above that, I'm going to write the base number with its power starting from the extreme right with 0. So since we are in base 8, we're going to have 8 to the 0 power. And then moving up, we're going to have 8 to the first power. And then moving up, we're going to have 8 to the second power. Then we're going to calculate the number to the specific power. So 8 to the power of 0 is going to be equal to 1. 8 to the first power is going to be equal to 8, similar to 8 times 1. And 8 to the second power is going to be equal to 64, similar to 8 times 8. Then we are going to multiply the corresponding top row numbers to the bottom row numbers. So we're going to multiply these numbers by these numbers. So first, we're going to take 64 times 3, and that is going to give you 192. Then we are going to multiply 6 times 8, and that is going to give you 48. And then we are going to multiply 2 times 1. And that is going to give you 2. So then we're going to add the products together. So 192 plus 48 plus 2. And this will give you 242. And now we're in base 10, so our answer is 242 base 10. Next, I will be converting 1434 base 5 to base 10. So in our top column, we are going to write our number that we're converting, 1, 4, 3, 4. And then under that row, I'm going to write the place values. So in base 5, the place values are 1, 5, 25, and 125. So then we are going to multiply by 5 to find the next place value. So 1 times 5 is going to give you this 5. 5 times 5 is going to give you this 25. And then 25 times 5 is going to give you this 125. And that is another way you can solve the place values. So then I'm going to take those calculations and multiply with the number above it. So we're going to start here, 125 times 1 is equal to 125. 25 times 4 is equal to 100. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Then we're going to add these products together. So we're going to have 125 plus 100 plus 15 plus 4. And that is going to give you 244. And now you are in your base 10, so 244 base 10 is your answer. 242 base 10 is less than 244 base 10. And here I will prove it another way. With these cubes, so our 362 base 8, we're going to have 3, 6, 2 in our ones, tens, and hundreds column. In our ones column, we have 2 small cubes, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. In our tens column, we have 6 longs, and each of them have 8 in it, 8 small cubes in it since we are in base 8, so 6 times 8 is 48. Then in our hundreds column, we have 3, and each one has 64 in it because it's 8 by 8, and that equals 192. So once again, you're going to add 192 plus 48 plus 2. 48 plus 2 equals 50. 50 plus 192 equals 242 base 10. And then when we're changing 1, 4, 3, 4, 5 to base 10, we're going to use the same method. Here we have 4 small cubes in our ones place, so 4 times 1 equals 4. Then we have 3 longs in our tens place. Each of them have 5 small cubes in it, so 5 times 3 equals 15. In our hundreds place, we have 4, because this is our number. They are 5 by 5s, 25 altogether. 25 times 4 is 100. And then in our thousands place, it is a 5 by 25, and there is one of those, and that equals 125. Then you add up all these together, 125 plus 100 plus 15 plus 4. 125 plus 100 equals 225. 225 plus 15 equals 240, and 240 plus 4 equals 244. So your answer is 244 base 10. So now, as we're comparing which one is bigger, 242 base 10 is less than 244 base 10, which means 362 base 8 is also less than 1434 base 5, because 362 base 8 is the same number as 242 base 10, and 1434 base 5 is the same number as 244 base 10. And here you can see it in a number graph. 242 comes before 244, which means 242 is less than 244. Thank you.